Meaning of drunkenly.
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 Drunkenly. Drunkenly is an adverb that describes an action or behavior performed while intoxicated with alcohol. It implies that the person is not fully in control of their movements, thoughts, and actions. When someone acts drunkenly, it often leads to poor coordination, slurred speech, impaired judgment, and a loss of inhibitions. This behavior can be dangerous and potentially lead to accidents, injuries, or even legal consequences. In short, drunkenly refers to the state of being under the influence of alcohol and behaving in a manner that is uncoordinated and potentially harmful.